bodies don't know the difference between the past, the present, and the future. Time exists in one moment as of now. Every single cell of our body is operating only in the present moment to the stimulus that is around it. If you can feel that emotion in your body, you're teaching your body that this is what is happening right now. Whether you're a master manifestor or you're just beginning to use the powers of manifestation in your life, here are 3 simple tips that are going to increase your powers of manifestation. The first is that it's not about using the power of the mind, but using the power of the body. This is about feeling the emotion of that which you're trying to manifest. You might have heard of this before, that it's important to also not just visualize, but to feel what it is that you're trying to manifest. Think about this from the scientific perspective. Our bodies don't know the difference between the past, the present, and the future. Time exists in one moment as of now, and that is what we are feeling in our body in that moment of now. Every single cell of our body is operating only in the present moment to the stimulus that is around it. If you can feel that emotion in your body, you're teaching your body that this is what is happening right now. And when you can feel that in your body and teach your body that this is what's happening right now, you become that. You are actually being that. You're no longer in the act of trying to create something. The universe is going to respond because you already are that person. If you want more abundance in your life, then feel that abundance inside of you and watch that abundance pour in. Second tip is to feel good now. Because if you don't feel good now, how can you feel good feelings about that thing that you're trying to manifest in your life? So it's really important that you take care of yourself. Do whatever you need to do to feel better. Maybe you need to take a nap. Maybe you need to eat better food. Maybe you need to take a bath. Maybe you just need to sit and do nothing. Whatever it is that you need to do for yourself, do it so that you feel good. Because the more you allow yourself to feel good, the more you're going to be able to tap into those feelings of that which you're trying to manifest. Tip number 3 is clearing your subconscious mind of any negative thoughts that it may be having. You know which thoughts I'm talking about? The ones that say you're not good enough, that you don't have enough, that it's not possible, that it's not the right time. All of those thoughts are blocking you from being able to feel good in this moment now and preventing you from manifesting that which you desire. Remember, what you seek is seeking you. And so it's really important to be able to watch your thoughts and just to be able to reprogram them, because when you do that, you're teaching your body how to feel good now. And then you are able to feel that emotion of what you're trying to manifest in your life, and you draw that experience to you. Manifestation is like a muscle in your body. You can't go to the gym and expect to lift a 150-pound barbell right away without practicing. You're going to have to exercise this muscle to keep getting better and better. So if you want to be able to manifest anything in your life, don't forget to take care of yourself. Feel good, watch your thoughts, and allow yourself to experience what it is you desire right now in this very moment of now. You're a master manifester.